Today, I'm going to show you how to create ER diagrams for free with the Express edition of Visio Product Online. To create diagrams with Visio Product Online Express Edition allows you to draw diagrams from anywhere in any web browser. You can create a limited number of diagrams with a limited number of shapes. There is no time limitation or expiration. No credit card information required. You can export your drawing to images without any watermark. All you need to do is to sign up for an online workspace and start drawing your own diagrams. I will show you how this works in a minute. Before I continue, please note that the Express edition of Visio Product Online is free for non-commercial use only. Alright, let me show you how to sign up and create free ER diagrams. Open the web browser and visit online.visio-paradigm.com. Click Sign Up at the top right corner of the website. Enter your email address and click Sign Up to create an online workspace. You should check your email inbox for the confirmation email. I just skip it for now and open Visio Product Online directly. This is the dashboard of Visio Product Online. 4 web tools are provided. Now, click on Diagram to open the web drawing tool. This is the main page of the online drawing tool. The diagrams available are listed on the left. Let's select Entity Relationship Diagram. You can create a blank diagram or to start from an existing template. I just start from a blank diagram. This is the diagram editor. To add an entity into the diagram, select Entity from the palette on the left. Drag it onto the diagram. Enter the name of the entity. To add a column, right-click on the entity and select Add Column from the pop-up menu, and enter the name of the column. By setting a column as primary key, it will become bold. To create a related entity is very simple. Just move your mouse pointer over the source entity, press on one of the handlers around it, drag it out and release the mouse button. Select the kind of relationship to create, such as one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many, etc. This creates a new entity. You can apply formatting to shapes through the Format panel, like this. This is the final diagram. You can export your drawing into image file, like this. This is how you can create free ER diagram online. Sign up now and start creating your own diagrams. In the video description, you can find the URL of VP Online, the steps to sign up, and other resources that help you create great diagrams. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for latest updates, and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.